Okay, router table back up and running. So I mounted it underneath, put some marks on to try to keep it centered really good from the hole. That really helped. And then I mounted it, but this is a taller router. So, and the switch is right here. So I added another set of legs or feet to the router. And now it's just right. And then I mounted the bit, and it turns out it's just right. You can see the roller blade is right even, so that's really good. The depth is just really good because you can see it leaves about that much on the wood, so that's a real nice contour. And then I added my little arrow because you always want to feed this way, so it's just a little reminder. I don't use this contoured. I haven't done the going in and out, but if I did, I added a couple stops. So maybe I'll try that just to see what it looks like. And that's when you're like a lot of our moldings, we start straight and then it bevels in, and then it ends up going straight again. So it's kind of no contour, contour, no contour for like columns and stuff. Corner posts, I should say, or the look of corner posts. Really, it's just molding, but okay. So it's a really nice router table. I'm real proud of this. We have some nice 3/8 inch red oak plywood. We have some cherry wood, and then I added the other set of legs. I added some butternut. And then I see that there's some nice hard maple right here. Pretty sure it's hard maple. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. So it's a really nice table. I bought the router, I don't even know. When the other one broke, I bought this one right away. So I'd say this thing's been 5 years before I hooked it up. So finally, back up and running, and I can make the contour and then set the table aside and have it handy. Okay. Time to move forward.